Here we are, guys. We got the Randy's Baby Maker 1000 kit for my 4th gen Cummins. Show you guys how to install that today. Here's the valve body. Gasket. New deep pan. And all of their fluid. Alright, I got it draining, and I will be removing all of the 8mm bolts holding the tranny oil pan in. Alright, I got all the bolts out. I'm just gonna let it finish draining all the way so I don't make an absolute mess. And then I'll get this off, clean it up, prep the surface, get the valve body out, and show you all that. Dude.
Deep creep. Deep creep. Deep creep.
Deep creep. Alright, so I got the solenoid plug out. Had to really push this down and work it to get it out. That was probably going to be the hardest part of this whole ordeal. There's a T20 or 25 Torx to get the filter out. Drop that. Don't spill tranny fluid everywhere. And then I believe it's only 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts or 5 bolts. Holds the valve body up, and we will get that out. You can already see that this Randy's valve body, much beefier. Got a nice billet plate where the original does not. Alright, we're gonna get this all cleaned up and get the new one on. Alright, it's time to get this pan on. Comes with instructions. A gasket. Tucked on. Because I'm not using those Allens. Because I got these. Alright, let's get this up here. Hopefully I don't screw up this gasket. Oh yeah, of course it doesn't fit easy. Of course. Of course. Of course. Well, looks like it's not gonna fit, and we're gonna have to move these out of the way. Alright, let's do this again. Got that loosened. Let's see if I can ruin the only gasket. Ooh, yeah, that's scary, guys. And this is why I got my Allens. Oh, because there's nothing better than the sweet. All right, now I'll get the rest of these bolts in, torque them down. Torque them down to spec. Ready? Beep. 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 Ooh. Beep. Oh. Beep. Beep. Oh, beep. 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 Ooh. Beep. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Oh look, now I can actually drain it without drilling the hole. Good job, guys. All right, so Randy's valve body's in with the D-pan, and with that D-pan it calls for 12 quarts. So I will get my little weird funnel I got, fill it up to 12, a retuner, and drive it. All right, I'm sure this is frowned upon, but I'm not really caring about that. I will be reflashing my truck to have a higher line pressure now, and a few other things. Let's hope I don't brick it. Guys, can't emphasize this enough. Get this lined up perfect. The shift linkage. If you don't, you're gonna have to drop the pen like I did.